Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can overlay your thumbnail with your website logo or your website link or any signature that show your brand using this simple plugin. So if you don't have this option, what you have to do is you have to go to each and every video and you have to create a thumbnail for each and every video, and you have to update those thumbnails in the respective video, and it would be really very difficult if you have around hundreds or thousands of video. So if you have this plugin installed on your Chrome browser, it will take not more than 5 to 10 minutes. So let me show you how to do that. So first I have opened this Paint 3D, as you can see here. So let me open it from the scratch so we'll have an understanding. So here you can see blank page, and I've set the width to 1280 and height to 720 pixels. So this is the specification for the thumbnail size. You have to set that one, and I want to show my blog logo in this position. So this is the logo. I have to copy this one and paste it here. It will be pasted on this blank image. So I'm going to paste it here. Okay, so once you are done that, you need to make other section to be transparent. So to make it transparent, go to canvas section. I am presently in the canvas section, and select this option, transparent canvas. So you can see that apart from the logo, all other sections are transparent. Just save it in file format PNG, because PNG is the only format that support transparent images. So I have already saved this one. This is my transparent image. What I need to do is I just need to update in the thumbnail overlay option. So go to bulk and thumbnail overlay. So what you want to do, select this one, whether you want to add the thumbnail overlay or you want to remove already added thumbnail overlay. So first of all, I want to add the thumbnail overlays. Go with the first option. Next, you have to select an image. So there are two options. You can select the image from your computer, or you can give the URL of that particular image. So I'm going to select the image from my computer, choose file, and this is the logo that I want to append on the selected videos. I have selected this, click on open. So there are two important things that you should make a note. One is the size. It should be in 1280 or 720 pixel, the image size, or 1820 into 1080 pixel, and the file format of the image should be PNG, because PNG is the only file format that support transparency. So once you're done with that, click on continue. So here you need to select the video that you want to update this thumbnail overlay. So if you want to update on all the video, you go with the first option. If you have a list of video, specify the video by its ID separated by comma. So paste that ID, video ID here, because just to show you a demo, I'm going to change the thumbnail overlay in only one of my video. So I've selected this particular video, click on continue. So you have an option to select all. If you have multiple videos, just click on this, it will select all the videos, and click on continue. Yes, do it, and click on the start button. So it start processing the video and is trying to overlay the thumbnail. So once that is done, you can see the message processing complete. Click the close and go to this particular video. So here you can see my logo. So if you want to update this logo in all the videos, or if you want to showcase your brand, this is the best option to change your thumbnail image. So that's all about this video. I will catch you in the next video. Until then, bye.